Hello children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. Welcome back to Maths class. Today we are going to learn a new topic, that is comparison of numbers. Compare means what, children? Compare means when we compare the things, we will find out which is good, bad, which is tall, short, and which is big, small. Isn't it? Same way we are going to compare the numbers. We are going to compare the numbers. Okay. So when we compare the numbers, we'll find out which is the greater number and which is the smaller number. So how do we compare any given set of numbers? How we can compare the given set of numbers? So we have few steps, or we can tell it as a rules to compare the number. Okay. The first step, check the number of digits. Okay, first we have to compare the number of digits in the given numbers. Okay, so which number has the more digit, so that number is a greater number, and which has the less digit number of digits, so that will be the smaller number. For example, I am going to take 17 and 9. Okay, so 17 and 9. So 17 is a 2-digit number and 9 is a 1-digit number. So 2-digit number, that is 17, is greater than 9. Okay, so 17 is greater than 9. Okay, so always keep it in your mind, the number with more number of digits will be the greater number, and with the less number of digits will be the smaller number. Okay, keep this in your mind. For we will take another example, that is 243 and 24. So here 243 is a 3-digit number and 24 is a 2-digit number. So 243 is greater than 24. Okay, so always the number with the more number of digits is greater than the number with the less number of digits. Okay, so that point you keep it in your mind. So the next step, first step is we have to see compare the number of digits. First step is what? We have to compare the number of digits. Okay, we are comparing. If comparing the number of digits. Suppose if the number of digits are same. Okay, so if the number of digits are same. Second step, children. So if the number of digits are same, so then you have to compare. You have to compare the hundreds digit. Okay, so if the number of digits are same, then second step, what you have to do, children? You have to compare the digits, the hundreds digit. That means, suppose for example, I am going to take 147 and 234. So we are comparing the hundreds digit. That means in hundreds place, what is the number, that digit you have to compare. Okay, so you have to compare the first digit of the number. That also you can tell, first digit of the number. So 1 and 2. So which is big, 1 or 2? So 2 is big. So 234 is greater than 47. So the first step is you have to compare the number of digits. Second step is you have to compare the first digit of the given number. Okay, if the number of digits are same, then you have to compare the first digit of the number. Okay, so third step, if the first digit is same, so then you have to compare the tens digit. Okay, that is second digit. Tens digit. So I am going to take 147 and 168. So we have to compare which digit? So second digit, that is tens place digit we have to compare. Okay. So that number we have to compare. First number tens digit, that is you have to compare the second digit. If the number of digits are same and if the first digit is same, then what you have to do? Then we have to compare the second digit of the given numbers. Okay. So here what is the second digit? 4 and 6. Which is bigger or which is greater? 6 is greater. So 168 is greater than 147. Okay. So 168 is greater than 147. So this how it follows. If the second digit, that is tens digit, is same, then you have to compare the ones digit. Okay. So this is the step. So first when the number is given, what you should do, children? You should check the number of digits. Okay. If number of digits are same. Okay. If the number of digits are same, then you have to compare the first digit of the given numbers. Okay. First digit you have to compare. So if the first digits are same. Okay. If first digits are same, then you have to compare the tens digit. If the tens digits are same, then you have to compare the ones digit. Okay. So these steps you have to follow. If it is a 4-digit number, then you have to compare. Once again it will come the same. So first you have to check the number of digits. Second step you have to compare the thousands digit. So that will be there. Okay. So same thing it will continue. Okay. Yes. Understood, children? Now so the first main in comparison of number, children, ring the greater number. So what we have to find out? We have to find the greater number. Okay. They have given two numbers. In that two numbers we have to find out which is greater number. The first one is 50 and 107. What are the two numbers given? 50 and 107. So what is the first step, children? We have to check the number of digits. Okay. So in 50 how many digits are there? 2 digits. In 107 how many digits are there? 3 digits. So 2 digit number is greater or 3 digit number will be greater. So 3 digit number is greater. So circle the 107 because here we have 2 digit number, here we have 3 digit number. So 3 digit number is greater than 2 digit number. Okay. So the same way second one, what is the number given here? 125 and 163. So here we have 3 digit number and 3 digit number, right? So both the digits are same. Both the numbers digits are same. So same way we have to compare the first digit of the number. So here in hundreds place what is the number? 1. So same way in hundreds place this number is also 1. So what we should do? We should compare the tens place number, that is 2 and 6. So 2 is greater or 6 is greater? So 6 is greater. So circle 163. Okay. So circle 163. Third one, the number given is 148 and 141. Same way here also in this numbers we have both the numbers are 3 digit numbers, right? So the first digit are also same. First digit are also same. Okay. So the next digit what you have to compare? The second digit, that is in tens place. 4 and 4 both are same. So next we have to compare the numbers in ones place. So 8 1. 8 1. So which is greater? 8 is greater. So 148 is greater than 141. Okay. So the next one, fourth one, the given number is 105 and 150. Okay. So both the numbers have 3 digit number. So the first digit is 1 and the first digit here also it is 1. So the next you have to compare the numbers in tens place. So here it is 0 and here it is 50. So 0 is bigger or sorry, here it is 5. So here it is 0 and here it is 5. So 0 is bigger or 0 is greater or 5 is greater? 5 is greater. So 150 is greater than 105. Okay. So we have done. Next we will see the smaller number, children. Same way we have to circle the smaller number. Okay. Next one, children, ring the smaller number. So same way we have to circle the smaller number. Okay. What is the first step, children? We have to check the number of digits. Okay. So we have to check the number of digits. So here we have 3-digit number. Here we have 2-digit number. So 3-digit number is greater and 2-digit number is smaller. So 59 is smaller than 163. Okay. Read the question. What they have given, that you have to do. Sometimes color the smaller number also it will be given. So you have to color only the smaller number or cross the smaller number it will be given. So read the heading, according to that you have to perform. Okay. So here it is given ring the smaller number, means you have to circle the smaller number. Okay. So the next one is 156 and 168. So we are going to compare these two numbers. So here the two numbers have 3-digit numbers. Both are 3-digit numbers. Okay. So compare the first digit. So 1, 1. Here also it is 1. Here also it is 1. The hundreds place is 1. So next, what is the next step? You have to compare the tens place. So it is here it is 5 and here it is 6. So which is small? 5 is small. So 156 is smaller than 168. Okay. Same way, next one 130 and 134. So we are going to compare these two numbers. So both the numbers have 3-digit numbers. Both the numbers are 3-digit numbers, right? So we have to compare the first digit of the given numbers. So here it is 1. First digit is in hundreds place. What is the number? 1. Here also it is 1. Same way here it is 3 and in a tens place here also it is 3. Next in ones place, what is the number here? 0 and here it is 4. So 0 is smaller than 4. So circle 130. Okay, you have to compare like this and you have to write. Next same way 107 and 170. Okay, so 107 and 170. So first both the numbers are 3-digit numbers. Okay, both the numbers are 3-digit numbers. So we have to compare the first digit of the given number. So 1, 1. So the hundreds place numbers are same. So what you have to do? We have to go for the tens place. So here it is 0, here it is 7. So which one is smaller? 0 is small. So circle 107. Okay. Okay, children. Practice all this. Okay. Take care. Bye.